What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. And today I am unboxing this parcel from Hasbro Pulse. What could be in the box? That's right, it's the In-Space Silver Ranger. Let's go. So as you can see, this is my boxed In-Space Ranger, which I'll be unboxing in this video. But I also have a spare, which will be for a giveaway at the end of this video. I will mention about that later on. So yeah, let's tidy up, put this one back here somewhere, and let's start with the review as such of this figure. So I've been collecting Lightning Collection figures now for just about a year. It's probably coming up to a year of me collecting these Lightning Collection figures, and I have never opened one out of the box. So let's start with the Silver Ranger, and there you go. I'm going to put the box there and the beautiful lightning effect cardboard background there, just next to the giveaway figure, and this is what we've got inside the box. So let's show you what we've got. I'm going to put it all on the table now. So there you go, that's the figure out of the box, in my hand, and off camera, stupid mark. This feels like it's got a bit of weight behind it. I want to go and compare it to the Red Ranger one. The legs feel incredibly tight. I'm actually really scared of breaking them, but no, they do bend, which is a plus. Don't want to be bending them once and they snap. That would not be my ideal first unboxing on Lightning Collection, although that probably would get some good views. I don't know if it is down to the fact that it's a bit stiff, I guess, but I'm having a bit of issues getting him to stand up. That might just be because obviously I'm trying to do this on camera, and the stress is affecting me. I don't know, but yeah, that's the Ranger. I reckon if I knock it a little bit, he'll probably fall over. But there's the head. Nice human head of Sane. Forgot his name there for a moment. And as you can tell, not very good at working out where the camera is when I'm on this side of the camera. But yeah, there you go. Sane head. I will do a close-up of that at the end of this video. You've got one hand, bit of a karate chop, karate action hand. Karate action? Yeah. For his left hand, and then a closed hand for the right side there. So yeah, spare head, spare pair of hands. I always thought it was the wrong way up. I always thought it was someone poking the middle finger up at someone. We've got a bit of a yellow lightning effect. My wife thinks it looks like noodles. I'm probably never ever going to use the lightning effects on these figures if I ever do take them out of the box again. And we've got his weapon, and to my knowledge, one is, yeah, so we've got a closed blade and an open blade, I guess. But there you go, there's the two blades. My wife again said that they look like walking sticks, or like crutches, I guess. Should we try and mimic the image on the back? Should we try and mimic the image on the back? That's a really cool pose. If I can get it like that, I might keep him out of the box and put him on the shelf like that. But I'm not very good at making these poses up, especially on camera, as I've said. So let's see what I can do. So let's start with the correct weapon on the right hand. I'm pretty sure that the action figure man would be disappointed with how long it's taken me to pose this figure. Identical to the figure in the back of the box there. This is a real poor attempt by myself. I'm sorry to everyone watching this. Let's see if I can fast forward this a little bit. I think I'm going to give up with trying to pose him. I can't get him to stand up. I'm literally holding him up to prevent him from falling. I don't know what else I can do. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm dreadful at trying to pose these figures. He's got a limp hand. The blade isn't high enough. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Is the head the wrong shape? Wrong size? I feel like he's leaning more, but I just can't get the angles right. Let's be a little bit tactical on this. I can't get him to stand up on his own. I think the camera is affecting my skills. So let's see if I can help him stand up with a few boxes behind his back. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Right, I give up with that. Giving up on that. That's taken me like 10 minutes. Headless Silver Ranger. Oh no. So yeah, this is him with his human head on. Do I class it as a human head? He's not really human. But yeah, anyway. There you go. Hopefully you can see that as clear as possible. But what I'll try and do is post a few pictures of this character at the end. Obviously I'll do the giveaway kind of video at the end of this, and then take a few odd shots to finish the video off. I guess that might be the best way of doing it. I'm not a big fan of the limp hand, but maybe he can hold his helmet. That might be a cool picture if I can get it so he's like holding the helmet under his hand. Better not lose it. The dogs will probably chew it up. But yeah, something like that might be cool as a picture. I might throw that idea towards, again, the action figure man, just to see if it's something that we can get sorted. Something kind of cool, I guess. So the figure itself, it's got a beautiful shine of silver on it. I kind of thought it might look a bit cheap, and in some lighting it kind of does, but yeah, this is a beautiful figure. I'm sorry if the camera is a little bit blurry on this one. I honestly, I can't think of anything too wrong about it. The visor, there's a slight line issue dead center. I don't know if that's just my eyes being a bit nitpicky with the figure itself. I don't like how it bends, but I don't know if that's just the fact it is such a new figure itself. Let me try and take all this apart, ready to put it back in the box in a moment. But yeah, these legs, I'm scared I'm going to break it. I'm wondering if I just do this for a couple of minutes. It just makes it a little bit easier to pose him. I love that the shoulder blades bend, his back bends. You know, it is a Lightning Collection figure, and it's been done incredibly well in comparison to some of these figures that we know and love so much. Oh my god, spin his head all the way round. But yeah, I really do like this figure, and like I said, I've got a second one that I want to do as a giveaway. Oh my god, I've got such a cool idea. He's landed onto Earth and then he just falls over. The gravity's too hard. Right, let's talk about this giveaway then, yeah? And then end it with some pictures, yeah? So we're getting to the point of the video where I am going to talk about the giveaway. I have the figures just to the side of the camera here, so I'm going to keep looking at them because I think they're fantastic, really good quality compared to some of the figures that we've seen in recent months. So as I've mentioned, there are two of these figures. One is for me and is for my collection, and the other one is for a giveaway for one of yous to potentially win. So my aim is to hit 375 subs before the end of November. I don't think that's too hard of a target. I'm only about 13 subs away at this point from recording. The moment I hit 375 subs, I will release a video onto YouTube. It might be a short, depending on if it happens rapidly. And basically, that video I will talk about how to enter and potentially win this Silver Ranger. So if you haven't already subbed to my channel, sub now, help me hit 375, and obviously the moment I do hit 375, I will release a new video explaining how you can win your own Silver Ranger for free. I'll pay for postage. The item itself is in my possession, so you won't have to wait for Hasbro to re-release it for me to give it away. I have it ready to give to one of you, I guess, viewers. But yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment in the comment section below, and if you're new to my channel, why not sub to me? Next video, I'll try and keep the camera a bit more straight. I've just noticed how wonky the camera is here. And I'll catch you next time for another Power Ranger content video. Might be the 375 giveaway video. Who knows?